Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're well. I'm out on the water today, and one of the things I kind of realise I've never talked about, but a lot of people have asked about them, are these sunglasses that I wear. If I haven't got them on, sorry, camera fell over. If I haven't got them on, sometimes people say, where's your red shades? Right, there's a reason why I wear these red shades, I'll show you. And what makes them special. There you go. A, the red, they stand out, and B, they float, which is a real bonus. I have actually had to retrieve a pair of these before when I dropped them in a river. Just really handy things to have, because most shades sink. So I'll put a link to these in the pinned comment in the description. Check them out if you want. They do lots of different colours. But I've always had the red ones when I'm out kayaking because they're easier to spot in the water. Just thought you might be interested in knowing what I wear and why. It's very practical. Alright, you take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Cheerio! With a silly voice one.